What if I told you that something inside your body right now can save multiple lives? Not money, not technology, not power, just blood. Every 2 seconds, someone in the world needs blood. Accidents, surgeries, cancer, childbirth emergencies. Yet millions of people never donate. Not because they don't care, but because they don't understand how blood donation works. In this video, you will clearly understand blood groups, who can donate to whom, and why your blood type matters. Human blood is divided into 8 main types: O positive, O negative, A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative. These blood groups depend on tiny markers called antigens and something called the Rh factor. Positive means the Rh factor is present. Negative means it is not. Think of blood like keys and locks. If the key does not match the lock, the body rejects the blood. That rejection can be dangerous, sometimes even fatal. Now look at the image on the screen. The blood bag in the center shows a negative blood. Lines from the bag show which blood groups can receive a negative blood. A negative blood can be given to a negative, a positive, AB negative, and AB positive. Why? Because a negative blood does not contain the Rh positive factor. This makes A negative blood extremely valuable during emergencies. Now let's reverse the question. Who can donate blood to A negative? Only 2 types: A negative and O negative. That means people with A negative blood have very limited options. If matching blood is not available in time, lives are at risk. O negative blood is special. It can be given to every blood group: OABAB, positive or negative. That is why O negative is called the universal donor. In road accidents, when doctors don't know the patient's blood type, they use O negative blood first. If you are O negative, your blood is emergency medicine. Now let's talk about AB positive. People with AB positive blood can receive blood from anyone. OABAB, positive or negative. That is why AB positive is called the universal receiver. But AB positive blood can donate only to AB positive. Negative blood groups are rare. Only a small percentage of people have O negative or A negative blood. Pause 1 second. That is why hospitals often request urgent negative blood donations. Pause 1 second, especially during accidents and pregnancy complications. One blood donation can save up to 3 lives. Your blood is separated into red blood cells, plasma, and platelets. Each part helps a different patient. 1 simple donation, 3 chances to survive. Blood has no substitute. It cannot be manufactured. It cannot be replaced by machines. Blood can only come from one human being to another. Maybe today you learned something new. Maybe tomorrow you will donate. And someday, someone will live because you decided to care. Share this knowledge, because awareness saves lives.